Good morning, Friday. It's Friday. It's raining. I'm on my day off. What else can a girl want? I wish it's not raining. That's what I want. Because I'm going out today. But the weather is a bit doom and gloom. I was kind of like thinking, do I really need to go out? Should I just stay at home, get myself absolutely cozy with lots and lots of hot drink, like my first drink of the day? Obviously, it's got to be a cup of tea. But yeah, I opened the conservatory door so I can just feel some fresh air in the morning. It's nice, isn't it? It's good for your lungs, I say. So, what is your plan this Friday morning? Or I say, what is your plan this Friday? Since the weather is like this, I am running out of option. Option 1, stay at home, do nothing. It's always the good option for me. Option 2, if I stayed at home, that means I need to tidy up, which I'm not in the mood to do that because, I still have the weekend, so I can do that on the weekend. Option 3, stick to the plan. Go out, because I was invited to have a dinner. So, it's already been pre-booked, so I think it's a bit mean not to go. And then, on top of that, I need to go somewhere else first. I need to go to Harrods to do some filming, check out what's trending, what's new in Harrods for my YouTube channel, which I must do because I'm going to be uploading this coming Sunday. Option 4, none of the above, and just sit down, binge watch my I'm a little bit addicted at the moment to this new series on Netflix, the Interview with a Vampire. I'm on season 1 and I'm a little bit hooked. I was intrigued because I like the original film with Tom Cruise. I don't know, guys, whether you've seen it. Let me know what you think of it. So yeah, I'm a bit indecisive this morning. Super indecisive. So guys, do let me know what should I do. Whatever you do, whatever the weather where you are. Enjoy and remember, keep smiling and bye for now.